In our linear regression problem, we've found DLD theta. Now we want to set it equal to 0 to find our optimal parameters. So to recall, we know DLD theta is equal to 1 over sigma squared times negative y transpose times x plus theta transpose x. And we want to set that equal to 0. Now, 1 over the variance squared is just a constant, so we can do away with that. So we have negative y transpose x plus theta transpose x equals 0. We're solving for theta, so we might as well put theta on its own side. So we have theta transpose x is equal to y transpose x. We can take inverses on both sides, or not inverses on both sides, but we can take the inverse of this guy, the x transpose x, and multiply by it. So we get theta transpose is equal to y transpose x times x transpose x inverse. Which means that theta, our parameters, have to be the transpose of y transpose x transpose x inverse transpose. And so cleaning this up, we get x transpose x inverse transpose times x transpose times y. Transpose cancels out. And then this becomes, since x transpose x is symmetric, it's simply x transpose x inverse times x transpose times y. All right. And so our theta, the theta that we want, our parameters, are going to be given by x transpose x inverse times x transpose y.